Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see the MCQ based on F.W. Taylor's scientific principles and techniques of management. There will be total 20 questions of 1 mark. The link for the same MCQ will be in description box. You can click on the link and you can appear for the test anytime from anywhere. So let us start. The first question is dash study used for fixing the standard time required for a task. The word is used time. So the answer is time study. Dash boss handles security and maintenance of the mechanism. The word is maintenance. So the answer is repairs boss. Principle that focuses on complete change in attitude of the employees is known as the principle of dash. Attitude change, harmony, mental revolution. The word is change in attitude. So the answer is mental revolution. Dash principle emphasizes on mutual cooperation between workforce, harmony not discord, mental revolution, cooperation not individualism. The word is mutual cooperation. So the answer is cooperation not individualism. Dash principle emphasizes on job specifications, harmony not discord, scientific selection and training, cooperation not individualism. The word is job specification. So the answer is scientific selection and training. Dash technique emphasizes on different wages as per the efficiency and performance. The word is different wages. So the answer is differential piece rate wage system. Taylor recommended total dash foremen to control the various aspects of the production. The answer is 8 foremen. The study of movement of an employee as well as machine while completing particular task. The word is movement, so the answer is motion study. Father of scientific management. Scientific, so the answer is F.W. Taylor. The technique of observing and recording the time required by an employee to complete a given task. The word is time, so the answer is time study. The study helps to reduce the level of fatigue of the employees. The word is fatigue, so the answer is fatigue study. Study consists of an organized, systematic and critical assessment of various activities. The word is various activities, so the answer is work study. The study that helps to reduce wasteful movement of the workers. The word is movement, so the answer is motion study. F.W. Taylor has proposed 14 principles of management. This statement is false. F.W. Taylor is called as the father of scientific management. This statement is true. Taylor's management theory is based on scientific experiments. This statement is true. According to F.W. Taylor, there should be harmony between the employees and management. He has given the principle harmony not discord. So this statement is true. Differential piece rate wage plan motivates the employees to attain higher standard performance. This statement is true. Find the odd one. Gang boss, speed boss, inspector and gang plank. The odd one is the gang plank. Find the odd one. Fatigue study, principle of unity of command, work study, motion study. All these are the techniques except this is the principle of Henry Fayol. So the odd one is principle of unity of command. Now we'll submit our answers. The answers are submitted. We'll view our score. We have got 20 out of 20 marks. You can check your answers here. If any answer is wrong, you will find the correct answer. In this way, we have completed our MCQ on F.W. Taylor's scientific principles and techniques. Please subscribe my channel, share and like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Take care.